I'm Angela Mascaratolo, Senior Analyst at PCMag.com, and this is Amazon Astro. Astro is a $1,000 household robot for home surveillance. It's still available on an invitation-only basis, but I got my hands on one and I've been testing it here in my home for several weeks, and I'm pretty impressed. So let me show you some of the things Astro here can do. It rolls around your home on 3 wheels. It's got a cargo bin in the back with a removable cup holder. You can even buy Tupperware containers. They're sold separately that fit right in here. Astro, follow me. Astro, dance. It even has its own little personality, almost like a dog. If I'm sitting in the living room watching TV, it will come beside me and keep me company. When I walk in the front door, sometimes it'll come over and greet me. It can follow you around to play music. Astro, play music.
Here's a station you might like, Nat King Cole on Amazon Music.
L is for the way you look at me.
You can send it to individual rooms for home monitoring.
Astro, go to the living room.
And it has a periscope here that you can raise up if you want to have a high view onto counters or tables.
Astro, raise your periscope.
What do you guys think about Amazon Astro? Just a gimmick, or would you want one in your home? Thanks for watching. For more tips, reviews, and tech news, head to PCMag.com.